Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Wolfcraft tools that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list, at number 5, we have the Wolfcraft 8402 Angle Finder. This budget-friendly tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who need a simple solution for measuring and transferring angles. Priced at just $10.99, it's incredibly affordable, yet packs some useful features like retractable edge guides for layout and notches for holding bar clamps upright during framing projects. It can measure angles between 2 points on inside or outside corners and even serves as an angle divider for miter saw setup. Although it doesn't provide exact angle measurements, its accuracy is sufficient for most basic home improvement tasks. In terms of design and build quality, the 8402 has a lightweight plastic construction, which makes it easy to carry around. While it's not as durable as higher-priced options, it's sturdy enough for occasional use. Its compact dimensions make it a convenient addition to your toolbox. Performance-wise, this product excels at replicating marks and angles, making it handy for tasks like woodworking, framing, or even laying floors. However, for professional projects requiring precise angle measurements, you may want to consider a more advanced option. Overall, the Wolfcraft 8402 Angle Finder is an excellent tool for beginners or budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable angle measuring solution. Its pros include affordability, ease of use, and versatility. On the downside, it lacks advanced features and precision. Still, for $10.99, it's hard to beat the value it offers. At number 4 on our list is the Wolfcraft 4685 AccuMobile Mobile Drilling Aid. This clever little tool is designed to make drilling vertical holes a breeze. And at $22.49, it offers a great balance of affordability and functionality. Key features include rubber buffers that hold the tool securely on smooth surfaces, an integrated V-slot for easy alignment on round materials or edges, and 5 precision drill bushes that accommodate drill bits ranging from 4 mm to 10 mm. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, this tool ensures your holes are accurate and clean. In terms of design, the AccuMobile is compact, lightweight, and constructed with high-quality plastic. Its gray color gives it a clean and professional look, while the integrated features make it versatile for various applications. Performance-wise, users have praised its ability to eliminate drill bit wandering, especially on smooth surfaces. The rubber buffers work exceptionally well, keeping the tool steady even on materials like metal or tiles. It's particularly useful for DIYers or hobbyists who need precision but don't want to invest in a bulky drill press. However, it's not ideal for heavy-duty tasks and may not meet the needs of professionals handling large-scale projects. The Wolfcraft 4685 AccuMobile Mobile Drilling Aid is a smart investment for anyone who needs a simple yet effective solution for vertical drilling. Its pros include ease of use, precision, and portability. On the downside, it's limited to smaller drill bit sizes and may not be as versatile as more advanced drilling aids. At $22.49, it's a fantastic tool for light to medium-duty tasks. Coming in at number 3, we have the Wolfcraft Screw Setter Set with tapered drill bits. Priced at $30.05, this set is designed for woodworking enthusiasts who want to drill countersunk pilot holes with precision. The set includes 4 screw setters, number 6, number 8, number 10, and number 12, all crafted from high-carbon steel for durability. The tapered pilot drill ensures optimal profiles for superior screw holding, making it perfect for tasks that require tight and secure joints. Whether you're building furniture or working on cabinetry, this set will come in handy. From a design perspective, the Screw Setter set is compact and easy to store, with a straightforward, uncoated finish that emphasizes functionality over flair. While it's not the most visually striking tool, its performance speaks volumes. Users have noted that the tapered drill bits create clean and precise holes, which significantly improves screw grip compared to standard drill bits. However, the set is best suited for wood and may not perform as well on harder materials like metal. Additionally, the lack of a case or storage solution can be inconvenient for some users. Overall, the Wolfcraft screw setter set is a solid choice for woodworking projects that require countersunk pilot holes. Its pros include durability, precision, and ease of use. On the downside, it's limited to wood applications, and the absence of a storage case is a missed opportunity for convenience. At $30.05, this set is well worth considering for hobbyists and professionals alike. In the number 2 spot, we have the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge with Marking Gauge Function, Model 6958,000. At $27.33, this tool is a must-have for anyone working on flooring projects or furniture construction. It combines 2 essential functions: measuring and transferring angles, and acting as a marking gauge. The folding stop allows for precise positioning on workpieces, while the scale on the moving leg makes marking parallel lines effortless. Whether you're dealing with internal or external corners, this tool simplifies the process and ensures accuracy. Design-wise, the Angular Bevel Gauge is lightweight yet durable, thanks to its high-quality plastic construction. The black finish adds a professional touch, while its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. Performance-wise, it excels at transferring angles, making it ideal for tasks like laying floorboards or aligning furniture components. Its marking gauge function is particularly useful for creating parallel lines, saving time and effort during pre-cutting preparations. However, it lacks advanced features like digital readouts, which may be a drawback for users seeking high-tech solutions. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge offers fantastic value for its price, especially for DIYers and professionals who need a reliable angle measuring tool. Its pros include versatility, precision, and affordability. On the downside, it's limited to manual use and may not appeal to tech-savvy users. At $27.33, it's a practical and dependable tool for a wide range of projects. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Wolfcraft 694820 bevel and miter box for 100mm high boards. Priced at $83.24, this premium tool is a game changer for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Combining a bevel gauge and miter box into one compact product, it's perfect for measuring angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees and sawing precise miters. The 2-in-1 functionality is a huge time saver, especially for projects involving baseboards up to 100mm high. Whether you're installing crown molding or crafting intricate furniture pieces, this tool guarantees precision and efficiency. The design and build quality of the 694820 are top-notch, with durable plastic construction and high-speed steel blades that ensure clean and accurate cuts. The ergonomic wooden handle adds a touch of sophistication while making it comfortable to use. Performance-wise, it's a standout. Users rave about its ability to measure room angles and deliver perfect cuts every time. It's especially useful for tasks that require tight tolerances, such as cabinet making or decorative trim installation. On the downside, the price tag may deter casual users, and its size makes it less portable than other options on this list. The Wolfcraft 694820 bevel and miter box is the ultimate tool for those who value precision and durability. Its pros include unmatched accuracy, 2-in-1 functionality, and premium build quality. On the downside, it's a bit pricey and bulky. At $83.24, it's a worthwhile investment for professionals or anyone tackling complex woodworking projects. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.